It's 190 miles from the Irish Sea to the North Sea, and I think that's a huge challenge.
We learned that it's tradition to pick up one stone from the west coast and carry it to the east coast. So we, on this part of the trip, picked up our stone and planned someday to drop it into the North Sea on the east coast.
St. Bees was beautiful. We started at the coast. When we started on the coastal path, we could see the hills in the distance, and we knew that that's where we were headed. Summiting some of those, points where we're able to stand at the top and look out over the countryside. It's amazing how the pastures are all divided by those beautiful stone walls.
Sure.
And everything is so green and lush.
So we can see for miles and miles and miles in the distance.
Yeah, we were really fortunate with the weather. Yeah. I think you have to be prepared for all kinds when you come, but it was perfect hiking weather.
We like to get outside. We like to have mud on our feet, maybe a little rain on our head, but at night we like to come to a nice warm room with a warm shower and a comfortable bed and a beautiful meal in a quaint town.
Yeah, I think Max did a really, really nice job of leaving the walking up to us and all of the details up to them. We had our app, we knew where our next destination was going to be, and all we needed to do was get ourselves there. Completing these first 8 days of the coast to coast was amazing, and we have to bring our pebbles back and complete it.
Can't wait.